Welcome to another video on our channel. One of our saints here with you. Video, I'll show you two secret indicators we use on our platform that are making us serious cash. Say us, I mean our students too. We're using these indicators with the exact setup I'll explain, and it's paying off big time. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to join our Telegram group. You'll find the link in the video description and pinned comment. In the group, I share strategies, real-time analysis, and key tips for newcomers who aren't sure where to begin in this market. Here's a quick look at 3 trades I made using our secret indicators. First trade here, we made $25. Another signal appeared, we entered, made $9.39. The indicator showed up and we made another 25, totaling $59 so far. I'll record a video explaining key points on using this secret indicator to potentially earn up to $100. First point, you need to understand these indicators. Go to the videos tab, click on secret indicators for a full tutorial on setting up these two indicators. So you need to watch this video. This tutorial, I won't teach setup, just show the triggers these indicators give for our entries. Remember, in the video tab, we have lots of material to help you with automated operations. We have the AI section here. All glitch, but you'll find tutorial videos for all AIs inside. Videos on deposits and withdrawals will be added. The start here video, it's crucial you watch it. We also cover strategies and analyses. Videos will be made available to you. Back to the panel, you'll see the robots tab, but I won't use robots here. Focus on the graphical part. Click on the side for a better view of the entire graphical section. Well, I had to pause the video. Stepped out, but I'm back now. Updated everything. Start our operations now. First, set up the indicators. Already configured here. Remember, you need to watch the lesson to understand. Let's see how the market is doing. We're using 100 volatility. It's not ideal. The market sideways lately, not a good trigger. Up arrow, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow. This isn't the best time for your operations. So, what should I do? Switch to 75 volatility. Let's see if 75 volatility is suitable for trading. You can see it's the same situation here. Down, 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 up arrows. Market's been sideways these last few minutes. Let's check another volatility. Look at 50 volatility now. Looking. The volatility is at 50, a bit better. Observe here. As it's recording, it might lag a bit. This out. The best time to enter a trade. When this happens, I'll point it out for you. When these two triggers align, meaning the indicators are close, that's your best entry point. See here? The indicators signal to buy. Suggested buying. Enter here and score your first win. These two, the arrow indicator. Let me zoom in. It's the stronger one. Those arrows pointing up or down. This indicator really determines the direction. The other one just confirms the position. Now, let's wait for this candle to close. Important note, in the tutorial I show you how to trade in 1 and 5 minute time frames using indicators. For beginners, it's always crucial to start with 5-minute charts. Best option. You need to change this too. In ticks, I'll switch it to minutes. Since I'm more experienced, I'll trade on a 1-minute chart. If you're new, stick to 5-minute candles. Select the timer here, 5, and increase it here too. Set to 5 minutes. This way you'll have much better accuracy. As I'm experienced and want to demo faster trades for a shorter video, I'll use this option. The candle countdown timer. Let's see if the indicator confirms an entry, shall we? There's a struggle in this area. It attempted to confirm twice but didn't. So let's wait and see. Now what should you do? Trigger is this one. When you see these two for buying and two like this for selling, close together, okay? What you'll do is just look for the best volatility to make your trade. Please keep this in mind. Look at the previous chart to see if it was following the pattern. See the confirmation here too. Appeared twice, both indicators. You buy for the next candle, and that's exactly what happened. Win there. So when they are together, it's very likely you'll succeed in your trade. Again, always double check. I'm going to test the volatility of 25 now and see how it's doing, if it's better for trading at this moment. Trigger appeared here, showing you how accurate this indicator is. Confirmed, and we got the win here. It's already signaling a buy. It entered on the next candle, we'd have won too. Wait for confirmation. This is the most confluent confirmation, see? When this arrow appears here, okay? Let's see if this candle, 30 seconds left, if it'll maintain. Oh, it went up, didn't hold. Always prioritize these entries once again. Wait for a better opportunity and then I'll be back with you. The pattern just appeared and I've made an entry to sell. I've entered with $25. Wait for the result of this trade. I'll mark this to show you, see? The trigger. Move this out of the way. See the trigger here. Indicators are signaling to sell. I've made a sell in this trade. You need to use the rise fall or rise fall equal market, okay? Use either of those two. Let's wait here, 1 minute entry for this trade. Another interesting detail. This option here lets you close the trade before it ends. Lost this trade. Wait here for the next trade. I'll use a multiplier of 5. Double the operation and enter here. We've entered this position. Lost the previous trade. Okay. We lost by a small margin, see? There's a gap at the end, so we'll enter for the next trade. In my case, I'll use martingale on this trade. Let's wait for the result. There's a struggle here, but the indicator says to go short. Sell now for $13 profit, now $21, $22. Sell here, look, $24, $31 profit. I could sell for $37, but I'll hold because I trust the indicator's metrics showing this sell position would occur. But let's wrap this up now that we've experienced a slight delay. We're down 25, but we've won, and now we're up $17 in this trade. All about trusting what the indicator tells you to do. We lost here due to a small delay gap, but the next entry was spot on. So we lost 25 but then made 42, recovering our loss and ending up 17 in profit. I'll wait for another opportunity to make a new entry for you guys. Look here, we've got another confluence of indicators, see that? We spotted this confluence and entered a call position for this trade. Remember, you can click this icon to close the trade in profit or loss, okay? The indicator says buy, we'll trust it. It dropped from $14 to $4, now we're down $10. It's telling us to make the purchase now. If we lose, no worries. Enter again. I used the multiplier here, didn't notice, but that's fine. Let's go. If it goes negative, we'll re-enter the trade, see? We lost that trade. Yeah, I didn't notice. I used 2x multiplier on this entry. In as $50, but that's okay. Even this trade and our indicator signal in to seek our win. We're already up $32 now. $29, $39. Sell now at plus 49, securing profit, but I'll hold till the end. We believe in this trigger, this entry here, that confirmation. Look, a loss, all right, but the indicator's direction is catching my attention. Sell now with $60 profit, recovering the 32 and still keeping 30 in profit. Let's wait. 4 seconds left in this trade. Don't think it'll turn back now, and that's it. Another win there, and we're $30 in the green. Indicators here, confluence of the indicator. This one, no worries, we'll get our win on the next. Here it is. Both entries so far were on volatility 50. Loss here, indicator signaled. First was a loss, second was a hit. Here, indicator spotted it, we lost. Entered the next and grabbed the win. 30. I'll wait here to make another small entry with you guys. Let me switch back to multiplier 1 to avoid what happened here. We entered with 2. Be heavier. Wait for another chance. Slight delay. Let's see if we can catch this trade. It lagged when entering, but look, I clicked here already, though it hasn't entered yet. It caught the click down here, see? The delay I'm recording is quite heavy, making things disproportionate. I'll try to sell this entry, even at a small loss. I tried to sell here, right? Not sure if it'll sell soon, but it's actually positive now. Look, candle dropped more, but I'm still $15 up. Scalped, as you saw. The entry lagged, catching mid-candle instead of start, but I still managed to scalp and exit $15 positive. So, the advantage of using our platform is that you can scalp with both profit and loss. In this volatility here, 51 seconds, we've made another $15. To wrap up, let's see $15 here in the 51-second volatility. I'm entering the 50 volatility now because each volatility has two types, okay? 51 second. These were the entries in 50 volatility. Here are our triggers and another sell pattern just appeared. Let's do this last trade. I'll the amount to $20 to scalp and complete the $50 operation. Let's wait. 24 seconds left to close this candle. If the signal holds, we'll enter the next one. If it doesn't hold, we do nothing and wait. This is the strong trigger I told you about, this arrow. Wait here. 9 seconds left. If it holds, I'll enter for the next candle. Let's wait. 2. Signal held, we're entering the next candle. It's a sell. Remember, I can sell the operation here. Look, click here and have the option to sell. Now $5 in the negative. You can sell at -5 or when it's positive too. Look, let's wait a minute on this trade, shall we? We'll double down. Believe in this signal, it's strong. Wait, the battle at our entry point. Up, down, up, down. 20 seconds left. Let's see the outcome. If I wanted to sell now, I'd make $7 profit. Do that. 10 seconds left. It won't reverse, but it might. Anything can happen. Look, it's coming back in the last seconds and we've lost the trade. I'm going to sell again, okay? Do it. Look, I still believe in the sell position here. We entered at the last second, had good profit, but ended up negative. It happens. What's happening here? The confluence. Ideally, wait for it to pass to make the operation easier. So we'll wait a bit, okay? Let's see how it behaves. We got this sell position indication here. See these two, right? Indicators are giving us this confluence. Let's wait. 12 seconds left. To lose, consider your management. On a gale or hold, depending on your bankroll, you can do it or not. We got the win. At the end, we snagged victory and ended $60 positive. Got the win on the last tick. So here's the full recorded history of the operation showing the 50 volatility entries. We observed that with this volatility 50 indicator, it lost on the first entry, but we got a win on the second one. We won here because of a delay. When we entered, we caught the candle about here, see? And got this difference, which we call the gap. It worked in our favor and we earned $60. You saw earlier, I'd already made $59 plus 60 more, so that's $119 total. That's $119 or 685 reais profit, showing everything in practice, using indicators and how to set triggers for the best opportunities. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, group link in the description and platform link in the pinned comment. Watch the video lessons in the videos tab to understand all features and use the secret indicators. That's all. See you in the next video.